Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to you. Welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, then I would really encourage you to click on subscribe, click the bell notification so you can be informed when I upload a new recipe each week. Please do share with your friends and family, spread the word about Reeta Soul Food, and click on like if you like this recipe, if you want me to bring you new weekly recipes. Can I just take a moment to thank each and every one of you that has already subscribed. The numbers are definitely growing and it doesn't go unnoticed, so thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you. It is a target of mine to grow our community to 100 subscribers, and we're almost there. We've got a bit of a way to go, and then the next goal will be 1,000 and then infinity and beyond. So at whatever point you're watching this at, and if you do want me to bring you weekly recipes, if you like this video, then please do go ahead and subscribe and let our community grow even larger, even bigger, and even more lovelier. Thank you. Don't forget to check out all the other recipes on my channel Reeta Soul Food after you've watched this recipe to the end. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're cooking a tagliatelle with artichokes and peppers. So I've just put the tagliatelle on the boil, and this shouldn't take too long, maybe about 10-15 minutes or so. Just check the instructions on your pack. This really is a quick recipe. It's one of those where you've got in your back pocket and you don't want to spend too much time. You want minimal ingredients and you're really hungry. This is the perfect recipe. So this literally is a jar full of peppers that I've got from the local supermarket, so you can pick that up, and it just makes life so much easier. It tastes really good. Just cut that up, and with the artichoke, it's already chopped up in a jar and preserved, and I've got that from the supermarket again, so you can pick that up in your local store. So we've got our tagliatelle on the boil there, as you can see. I put it on pretty much a high heat, and I also put boiling water from the kettle straight into the pan with the tagliatelle, so it just speeds up the cooking time. You can also add a pinch of salt to the water as well, so that just add a bit of seasoning and flavour into the tagliatelle and just make it taste even nicer. Sorry for all the steam there in the kitchen. As you can see, I've just drained the tagliatelle there into the colander, and you can pour on a bit of cool water as well if you want to, just to avoid it sticking together. You can also mix in a little bit of oil at this point as well, and again it will just avoid the tagliatelle sticking together. So if you like this video and you haven't already, please do subscribe. It will really help our community to grow. Click the bell notification so you can be informed of new recipes that I upload each week. Thank you, and do like and share if you like this recipe, and also if you'd like me to upload new recipes each week. Thank you so much. Okay, so now our tagliatelle is already boiled. I've literally just put the artichokes into a pan and chopped peppers too. We don't need any oil, and this is because all of the peppers and the artichokes were in the jar with the oil already. So again, this is just a quick recipe. We're using minimal ingredients. We're literally throwing everything into a pan and we're cooking it up, and artichokes are so delicious. They really are. I've just added some seasoning there, but there's already some herbs on the artichokes which came in the jar. Just added some salt and some pepper, giving that a mix around. If you want to spice things up a bit and you happen to have some chili flakes in your store cupboard, you can also add that for a bit of zing as well. So I'm just cooking that for about 5 or 10 minutes. Ready to add in our delicious tagliatelle, so put that all in and give that a good mix around. notice that I've gone right to the bottom of the pan, just lifting it all up there because that's where all the oil and all our lovely veggies are, so we can give that a good mix around and just make sure that all our tagliatelle is coated in that gorgeous oil and the artichoke and peppers. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up if you like it, and also check out the other recipes that I have on Reeta's Soul Food. If you like pasta dishes and noodle dishes, you can check that out. I've also got other playlists as well, so make sure you do have a little look around and just click on what takes your fancy. This really is a quick, tasty recipe, tagliatelle with artichokes and peppers. It's so quick and easy, it tastes really good, and if you're hungry and you just want to prepare something really quickly, then this is definitely a go-to. I also have packed it for lunch, so you'll see that at the end where I've been packing the lunch box. So it's one of those that is really versatile. Yep, this is me packing the lunchbox. Thank you so much for watching this video through to the end. I really do appreciate it. You're very kind. And like I said, if you haven't already, then please do go and click on that subscribe button. Click on the bell notification so you can be informed of new uploads each week for lovely veggie recipes that I'll bring you from Reeta's Soul Food. So thank you so much. All the best and see you next time. Bye.